what's up? Today I got a super easy, crazy delicious recipe for a roasted red pepper sauce with fettuccine. It is not typical. It's something that is different from the ordinary same old tomato sauce. I've already got my pasta water boiling, and this recipe takes basically as long as your pasta takes to boil. For two people, about 350 grams of pasta. This 85 grams a person is absolutely not happening. Now, here's the thing as well. This recipe is vegan. It can be anyway. I'm not using vegan pasta, but if you use vegan pasta and a vegan cheese, I'm telling you, it's right up your alley. Now, as well, this is suitable for Greek Lent. I care about your souls. Time to build our dish and our sauce. I'm gonna take a pan, nice and easy, just throw that on there, let it get it warming up. Now, I am using about 3 or 4 roasted red peppers, the jarred kind, no big deal. If you got your own homemade ones, use those as well. Throw that in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of cumin, about a teaspoon of cumin will go in here, give us a nice earthy background buzz. With this, I am using lentils. They're canned lentils, all ready to go. Just drain them and give them a real quick rinse in your sink and throw these in there. If you've got parsley that's a little past its day, but it still tastes good, here, just take it, throw it in there with the stalks. It doesn't make a difference. You're not putting it for garnish, so nobody's gonna really see it, but you're actually gonna taste it in there. I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of my Greek extra virgin olive oil, a little extra there. A little bit of salt will go in here. A little bit of pepper. I'm gonna take 1/2 teaspoon of my dried Greek oregano will go in here. Dried Greek oregano, less is more. So that's that. This is pretty much ready to be fired up. Now, it's a little bit stodgy for me, so what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of water, maybe a 1/4 cup to this, just to kind of give it a little liquidity, and we may have to add a little extra water after. Oh, very important. I forgot to add the garlic. Oh, Lord. Okay, so see what I mean? Sometimes I get so excited, I get confused in here. This is very, very important. So for this, all I'm gonna do is take 2 cloves of garlic, give them a little smack so it takes the skin off, and just throw them in here. Wow, what a mistake that would have been. All right, that's smelling and looking pretty good. Let me just check on my pasta and see how it's coming. Looking the way it should. Here, now this. Take our sauce here. And this is where the magic's gonna happen. Get that going. My pan's already preheating. Leave that there. Add another 1/4 cup of water. Just dilute it down a little bit and loosen it up. And we're off to the races. The other thing with a dish like this, when your friends are gonna see this, you're gonna bring this out to the table, right? They're gonna be like, oh, pasta, tomato sauce again, blah, blah, blah. They take one bite of this, they're gonna be like, ooh, what just happened here? That is not tomato sauce. They're gonna be asking, you're gonna look like a star, like nobody's business. So my pasta's pretty much done. My fettuccine is ready to go. Time to continue this and move this on. I'm just gonna take my pasta here and put my fettuccine right in there. Even if you get a few that miss the mark, no big deal. I love meals like this. And this is awesome too. If you're looking for like new ideas, you're a pasta lover, you know, there's a million ways to do it. Well, now there's like a million and one. Now my pasta here is done to around al dente, so my Italian friends would love this, but I want to cook it down a little bit more. It's been a couple, 3 minutes. Grab a plate. And check this out. Now, if you really want to do a little bit of presenting, just take your plate, twist it like that, and put it down, and you have a nice little pile in the middle of your plate. My friends, vegan and Lent have never tasted better. I'm getting the tones for sure of the roasted red pepper. I'm getting the garlic. I'm getting the background buzz of the cumin. The lentils themselves provide almost like this texture, if you will. So my friends, that's it for this episode on my roasted red pepper fettuccine. Very easy to make, very uncomplicated. You can make this even on a weeknight. It takes like 15-20 minutes to do, no problem at all. I invite you to try it. I challenge you to try it and let me know what you think. I am so curious. For those of you that are like me, that are always looking for something new, looking for something to challenge you, this may not challenge you skill-wise, but it will definitely blow the doors off your taste buds. So that's it again. Thank you so much. Please hit that like button and consider subscribing. And until next time, I thank you so much for watching. Much love. Bye for now.